Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Oops, what's that. This is your girl Pauline coming to you from my crafting hut. Trying to get this quick video in for the morning. And let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm going to use these items. I got this from the Dollar Tree. This is from Pop Shelf. It was $12, but I got it for 90% off. And I have this charger plate that I got from uh, Dollar General. So I'm going to use this. Let's go ahead. I wrapped all of my charger plates just to make sure that they didn't scratch because sometimes moving stuff around, and if you're not careful, next thing you know, everything is messed up. So yeah, so that's how I protected my charger plates by using some saran wrap. Yeah. So, so we're going to use that charger plate. And let's go ahead and take the price off of this one. Yeah. Okay. I also have here, I got this from Hobby Lobby during their 90% off. So I'm going to place that there. Let's put the price off. And I have here, I got this from Pop Shelf, so we're going to use that. Let's see, it's right there. I also have this candle, and I wanted to, let's see, I want to put it in here. Let's do this. Put a little bit of thread in there, and then put the candle there like that. But yeah, so it's going to look something like that. Okay. I also have to, oh wait, what did I do with it? Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I have the cup from that we got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use this body scrub, also from the Dollar Tree. And the last thing there would be some, let's see, I have some bath. Okay, so I also have here the tissues that we got from Dollar Tree a while back. I still have to call with the price on this one. I haven't done that yet, so yeah. So I'll cover the price on that. I'm going to include these bath bombs. I think I'll probably put them there. And last but not least, I'll probably include, yeah. All right, so that's this concept, y'all. Um, let's see. So yeah, so and then around here, I'll use my thread. And since I have yellow in there, I'm gonna go ahead and use some yellow thread here. We'll just glue everything down, keep it in place. But just giving you all an idea of what the concept would look like. So, so this is it, y'all. Everything came from either the Dollar Tree, Top Shelf, Hobby Lobby. And get a better focus on this here. Okay. So yeah, so of course the thread is not going to, okay. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and use this yellow thread. Wait. And just go ahead and burn it. So yeah, so this is basically what this concept is going to look like. I have about 8 more of these that I can use, and I have some different color charging plates. So I might go ahead and do a few more of these concepts using the charging plates and this item here. So tell me what you think, y'all. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for visiting. I hope you hit the like and subscribe button. Go ahead and comment. And if you're revisiting, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. To all of my subscribers, thank you for supporting your girl. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope that I would have something of interest here uh, for everyone to see. Maybe some ideas. We're all doing the same thing, but every now and then someone comes up with a new idea, especially for us newbies that we can benefit from. So I thank you all. Today is Monday, the beginning of the new week. Well, actually, Sunday for me was the beginning of the new week. But yeah, but going forward into this week, I pray that everyone stay blessed, everyone enjoy whatever they're doing in life. And until the next video, God bless. See ya.